Alright, so you zoom in here, it feels like that home bar is a little too close. I'm sure you felt the same. So we can't move the home bar because, we don't get to move the home bar. Now we probably can move the home bar. It looks to be shorter on my phone. Okay, so let's edit that original component here. So if I right click or control click and go to main component, or you can just find it, right? We can go up here. Once again, that's the beauty of, and we're gonna select edit multiple variants, and then we're just gonna move that bad boy down. We should see it move in our prototype. All right, so we're getting centralized editing, which is awesome. Hopefully you appreciate that. And I believe we can change the opacity of these things as well. So we can make that like 80% so it's not so stark down there. So now we're centrally editing our stuff as opposed to copying and pasting like we did when we were first year students. Now we are migrating to adult students. Okay, one more component and then we're done for this exercise.